hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yagansma, zdravstvuyte, privet, buna, dzień dobry, sziasztok. Hello, xin ciao, yebosio tere, salam alaikum, saskeka, marhaban, merhaba, welcome everyone. My name is Brunel. It's been a while, a few days. So you've seen the title, you know which eyeshadow palette it is. This time around it is just foils, no matte shades whatsoever. So I'm just going to quickly read through the claims and then we're going to try it out. It says, unbelievable color payoff in just one swipe. The intensity of these eyeshadows lies in its extraordinary formula in which the pigment is poured, not pressed. Ooh, yeah, well, that's what it says. Each pan offers should be A. Each pan offers a gorgeous creamy texture that transforms into a silky powder for an incredible high shine finish. From bronze to burgundy, plum to khaki, this kit is brimming with 15 rich shades that truly pack a punch. Uncover the pigment power for your most insane eye look to date. Use individually or mixed tones for a standout shimmer look. Apply wet to amp up the drama even more. We love dampening the opal hue to make the inner corner seriously pop. Cruelty free. Wow. Okay, so it says apply it wet, which is the best way. I'm gonna need to find my my spray in a moment. So before we get applying, wait a minute. Let me just go and get my spray. Alrighty, spray is at the ready. By the way, on my face, I've got my foundation on. It's not about that, but already on the eyes, I've got part of the Emoja from OPV. And it is super pigmented. Unfortunately, I bought it from Beauty Bay, and the last 3 palettes I bought from Beauty Bay have been a bit smashed up. I don't know what they're doing in the warehouse, but somebody is not doing their job properly. Now, it could be a Beauty Bay or it could be doing transit, but 3 eyeshadow palettes have had where they've been crunched up and destroyed. So it's a bit of a mess. And one of them's popped out. But just so you know, initially I started off with this at the very top of my eyes, and then on the outer corner, and then in my crease area, I went with this particular shade here. Those are the only 2 I've used. It is really, really pigmented. I would definitely say try it out. It is worth it. I haven't had a chance to try the other shades, but of the 2 that I've tried, they are super, super pigmented and they blend really easily as well. So no effort whatsoever. Okay, so we are going to get started. I think I'm just going to stick with, I'm going to go out. If I wasn't going out, I was going to do 2 different eye colors, but unfortunately I'm going out and that will look a bit nutty. All right, so I'm going to go for this color here. So this is the palette itself. Hopefully you can see the color as they are, colors as they are true to form. And I'm going to go for I'm going to go for these 2. I'm going to put the green first all over my lid, and then I'm going to have that as well in the middle, and then I'm going to have either one of these yellows on the inner corners to make it pop. So we are going to go with a wet brush. By the way, video of the swatches alone will be uploaded at the end of this one. So once you finish watching this, don't go away now. Alrighty, so wet brush. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. It's wet now. And then we are going to apply the green all over. No, actually, I want the other side wet too. All right. Let's see. All right, so it does pick up quite a bit of product. It is super soft. And let's see. Okay, well, the one swipe method. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that one. I think you need more than one swipe, and it's not popping as loudly as I wanted to. I was expecting it to be proper pow pow by its claims, but it's actually still quite good. The cost for this eyeshadow palette is £8, which is more than a normal reloaded one. So the reloaded palettes are usually £4, but to be fair, this is all foil, so You know, it is more than cheap enough, more than affordable. I'm just going to apply that with the brush all over my lid. Righty, so the green is in place. Personally, one swipe and it's all done. No, I don't agree with that. Needs a bit of effort, but you need short swiping motions with a little bit of drag seems to work. You can actually intensify it by topping it up, so that is definitely true. But yeah, this is what it looks like. You know, I'm going to ignore the instructions with regards to using a wet brush, and I'm going to do what I normally do, which is using my finger. I'm very happy with using my finger. So we are going to go into this gold in the corner, and I'm just going to top that up in the middle, center of my eye, and oh God, getting it on the finger is just a beauty. Oh, it just, ooh. Why did I suggest to use a wet brush? Why? Oh, ooh, oh yeah. Finger, I'm just saying it now. Finger, 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 finger. Oh, yeah, one finger. Finger, 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 finger. Brush, 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 wet brush, wet brush. No. Oh, yeah, this is. Nah, there's really, now I appreciate it. Oh, yeah. Hopefully this shows really well on camera, because I'm telling you, woo! Done, not done. Done, not done. Done, not done. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and do the other eye, finish off the rest of my face, and I'm going to do the inner corners, and I'll give you my final thoughts, nice and short. And voila, this is my face all done. So let's just get straight to the point. Would I recommend this? Absolutely, I would definitely recommend this. £8 is not a lot of money to pay for, you know, for so many foil eyeshadows. They are brilliantly pigmented. I would bypass the advice of using a wet brush, as you guys saw. So even off camera, when I went to put the yellow here on the inner corners of the eyes, I used one small pointed brush, dry, and it did pop, pop yellow. So it was super bright. So it works a lot better for me anyway, my personal experience, using your fingers or using a dry brush. I didn't really get the wow, pow effect with the wet brush. But however, if you want to use the wet brush, you can do so. But I would actually advise you to put a little bit of effort into it. Short dragging motions, which tend to be actually the best way to use you know, Makeup Revolution eyeshadows, especially the reloaded range. They seem to work a lot better, especially the shimmers, when you press and put a little bit of effort, drag it just slightly, and you get more color pigment. But that's if you insist on using a wet brush. I would bypass the wet brush altogether. Use your finger all over. Just use a normal brush or just to neaten all the corners, and you are good to go. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already. And why haven't you? Why are you waiting all the way to the end? Go ahead now. Better late than never, huh? At the end of the video, don't forget to watch. You'll be able to see the swatches, and it will be linked there. So go ahead.